Yo, Code Pilots! Welcome back to Python from Zero to Hero, Episode 9. We've journeyed through variables, conditionals, loops, lists, tuples, dictionaries, functions, and modules, and now we're tackling file handling. File handling is like giving your code a memory. It lets you save data to files and load it back whenever you want. We'll learn the basics, explore different ways to work with files, and build a note-saving project to put it all together. So grab your hat, hit that like button if you're excited, and let's get rolling. Let's start with the basics. What is file handling? It's how Python lets you interact with files on your computer, like saving a grocery list or reading a story. Open VS Code and create a file called main.py. First, handles opening and closing a file safely. Type with open notes text w as file.write hello code pilot. This opens a file named notes.txt in write mode. W writes a line and closes it automatically. Now, read it back with handles reading content from a file. Use with open notes.txt r as file. Content equals file.read and print content. You'll see hello code pilot. The with statement ensures the file closes properly, keeping your program safe and clean. Let's dive into file modes. There are different ways to open files. Write mode W creates a new file or overwrites it like before. Try it again with open notes text to Q as file and read it. Now it's new note here. Append mode A adds to the end instead. Use appends text without overriding. With open notes text as file write another line. The end starts a new line. Read it again, and you'll see new note here, another line. Read mode R is for viewing only, which we did earlier. These modes give you control over how you handle files. Now, let's explore reading files in detail. You can read line by line. Use reads file line by line. With open notes.txt as file for line and file, print line strip. Strip removes extra spaces. If you added those two lines, it'll print each one separately. You can also read all lines into a list with reads all lines into a list. Use with open notes.txt as file, lines equals file.readlines, and print lines. Gets a list like new note here and another line. This is handy for processing file data step by step. Time for a mini project, a note-saving tool. Let's build it. Create main.py and add saves a new note to a file. With open notes.txt a as file, note equals input enter a note. File write full fn note. Run it. Type buy milk and check notes.txt. It's added. Now, add reads and displays all notes. With open notes.txt r as file, print your notes. For line and file, print line strip. Run it again, and it shows all notes. To clear the file, add clears the file content. With open notes.txt w as file write empty, this wipes it. This tool lets you save, view, and clear notes, making file handling practical. Let's wrap up with some tips. Always use with to avoid leaving files open. Check if a file exists before writing to prevent errors. Use import os and os.path.exists notes.txt. Don't write huge data in one go. Use append mode for big files. Test with different inputs like empty notes to catch issues. This note tool can grow, add dates, categories, or save to different files. Practice, and you'll be handling files like a pro. That's a wrap for Episode 9, Code Pilots. You've mastered file handling and built a slick note-saving tool. Next time, we'll ride into error handling to make your code bulletproof. If you loved this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. We're just getting started. Drop a comment if you've got questions, and I'll see you in Episode 10. Keep soaring, Code Pilots.